Hi colleagues, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to export, import and upload data using ClaimSoft. First of all, let us create a folder where to put our data. Call it test ClaimSoft. And then launch your ClaimSoft software using your username and password. And then let's start with our metadata. Come here to metadata information. And here you have metadata for stations, for elements, and so on. And we want to export our stations outside ClaimSoft. So to export your stations, you come here to view button, to see your stations in this view, datasheet view or table view. And then there are buttons here, and this one you can use the export button to export your data outside ClaimSoft. So as you can see, by default it will give the name, and your file will be available in CSV format or comma separated value format. And then here you select where to put your file. Remember, we've created a folder at the desktop called test ClaimSoft here, and then click save to save your data here. You see your file were successfully exported. Click OK and close your metadata. You can come here to check, double click your CSV file, and here you can see is the file containing data. So you may want to share this file with your colleagues, or you may want to draw maps and so on. And then you have the full information of your file. So this is how to export a file into ClaimSoft. So let's look at another option, how to export data now from the entry form. So if you come here, the data entry forms, and select any form, let's select this form daily 2, double click on it to open. And as you can see, we have 14 records. You can also view the table sheets or datasheet view to see the number of your records, and you want to export this data. So this can be used especially with the people working at the outstations. It can be observed by anyone else who is doing digitization at the outstations or at the station level. So you may decide to share this data with your colleagues at the headquarters so that they put all the data together. So this is one way of sharing the data. And in case you want to share this data, you'll just come here, click at the export button. And then by default, it will give the name of this form. And then that's it. So it will be a CSV file. And then click on save to locate, especially where you want your file to go. It will go in this at the desktop in this folder. So if you say save, so let's say exported successfully. Okay, and then you close this one, you close, and then you may decide to go and check your So this is your exported file. So you may decide also to check the content of this file, and here it is though. So don't worry with the format, the layout, because you can rearrange this very without any problem. This is just an Excel manipulation. And then don't save. And then let's say you are the headquarter now and you receive so many files and you want to import them into your database so that you do the quality control for all the stations. So let's say you received another station. Let's take this one. So this is also another station you receive and you want to import it into CleanSoft. So how to go about it? You are the headquarter, you want to import your station. So remember here we have in this form we have this station only with 14 records. You can view again. So this is the data we have. And you want to add another station so that you can upload all the station at once, or you can do quality control. So to go about it, you want to import the new station. So you are going to use here the import button. Remember to export, we've used the export button, but now we want to import the new station we are going to add on this list. So we are going to import the new station. So in this case, you have 14 records. So you are going to click on view to import, and then once it is populated, click on the import button, locate the station you want to import into CleanSoft. So I say this one, click on it, and then click on open. Wait a bit, and then it says your data were imported successfully. So the next step is to check if it were added. So what you need to do is to refresh by opening again. So remember before it was 14 records, now we have like 1,700 records. So that means you can also decide to view. You see now your file were imported successfully. You see now we have now two stations. This is how you can import your station. And then our last step is to upload now. So this day we want now to upload our data into CleanSoft for further processing. So the next step is to upload this, and then after that we do the quality control. So now to upload your data, you use the upload button. So that means we are going to push our data to another level. So we have to click on the upload button. So by clicking on the upload once, it will call this dialog, which shows you, okay, it will check, and now here you see that I have two stations here. Do you want to upload all the stations? You select all stations, and then you specify the period, or you can decide to upload one station. You can decide to upload one station, and then you can decide also to upload one station but restricted period. So maybe you can decide to export just only 1 year or 6 months and so on. So let's say here so in case you want to upload all the data in the forms, you just do like this, and then you specify the limits. If you are not sure, you can put here like the longest period possible, up to the current period. So it will check and upload all the data. But on our case, to move faster, let's say we want only one station, not all. We want one to upload one station. And we can say we want, okay, because this station doesn't have a lot of data, we can say, okay, we want to upload only one station. So you select the year, beginning and the end, the beginning of the month and the end of the month, and then you click at the start. So by clicking on the start button, it will start to upload one by one, one by one, by one by one. So depending on the speed of your computer, it can take some time. So you need to give it some time. And then after this, you need to check now, has it really done the work I wanted? See, it has data transfer completed. So it has completed. So you need now to check this station now to see really if your data were imported. So to check, you need to close and then come here to the administration menu, update observations. So there are two tables. There is this observation initial and observation final. So your data are now in the observation initial because your data goes to observation final after doing the quality control. So your data are here now, but you need to check for the station, the code of your station. You can decide to put one element, maybe it is element 2, which is maximum. And if you are not sure, you can put the date, so a long date, so that at least you can be able to view if really your data went there. And you see now, this is your data. So it was uploaded successfully. So here I've checked the maximum temperature. You can also decide to check the minimum. If you are sure it was in the list, you see this, there is also a minimum. You can say also to check the precipitation as well. You see, so it was uploaded successfully. But what I need you to check here is the quality control status. So when you upload your data from the form to this table observation initial, the quality control status or the Q status is 0. So that means you have not yet done the quality control. So the next step here is to perform the quality control process. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the quality control. So thank you so much for watching this video.